Hey guys, welcome back today. I just wanted to do an updated packing video and review on the Lily Jade Madeline. This is in the Brandy 2.0 color. This was my first Lily Jade bag directly from Lily Jade, and it is probably my favorite. I love the Brandy color. I just think it's really earthy and classic on these bags. I wanted to show you guys how I packed this today. I actually used several, I guess, organizational packing case kind of things to make it easy to transition from one bag to another without having to take everything out and reorganizing it. I just pull these things out and go from one Lily Jade bag to another, or even some of my other bags as well. This Madeline has silver hardware. It has the tassel here as well that is removable, so if you don't want to have the tassel on there, you can always take that off. It has D-rings, nice tote handles, and a messenger strap that also doubles as a backpack strap that you can attach on the D-rings back here. So there is a flap at the front here, and not everybody is a big fan of the flap. I don't mind it. I find it just gives the bag a nice look. It does close with a magnetic closure right here, or a little kind of clip, magnetic clip thingy. I don't bother trying to find it. I just kind of flop it over. There is a zipper at the front here that not sure what the purpose of that is. I guess you could pop receipts in there, or gum, or anything flat. Otherwise, I just, I don't use it for anything. So there are 3 pockets at the front of the Lily Jade bag, and I really do like these because they're good for things that you just pop in there real quickly. Like I've got my keys in this side. I have my iPhone 10 in the center here. And then on this side, I have a Jujube small set piece with my lipstick and lip gloss and such in there. And then at the back here is the messenger strap that I always attach to all my Lily Jade bags if it has the option to be backpack. I just find it works really, really well that way. And you can attach it here. You can remove it or attach it with the D-ring. So there's one on either side down the bottom and then one in the center. I do have a video that shows you how to do this knot, so I will link that in the description box below in case you guys are wondering the best way to do that or how I like to do it. There's a pocket at the back here, and at the moment I don't have anything in there because, as I said, I just try to put everything in my organizational pouches in the center so that I can just transition real easy. But that's really good for a wallet or a phone or, oh gosh, what else? Receipts, wipe pouches. Sometimes I pop that back there if I want to be quick to grab that. Okay, so let's just go into the center and I'll show you how I do have that packed. Now, you just have to remember when you do use this bag, the best way to open the flap up is to pull this strap down first and then put the flap in between to open it up. So that's just the way to get around the whole flap issue. There's a nice long zipper here, and I love those on the Lily Jade bags. You do have the jade lining. Now, the organization in the bag on its own that comes with, it does come with an insert and a change pad. I just don't use those because my daughter has passed that stage. She's 2.5. You also have 2 pockets in the front here, so you have a smaller and a larger pocket. This is great for popping your keys in. I think most sunglasses actually fit in this pocket too. So, and then there is also a zipper at the back here that comes in every single Lily Jade bag. And in here I have a little coin purse by Jujube with a hairbrush and hair ties. And the rest is just in the center here. So I have a medium packing case by Lily Jade that I use for my nappy needs. So I've got 2 size 5 diapers, a light change pad by Jujube, and a coin purse with disposable baggies. This little tab here thing can come off. It came off mine. I just kind of looped it through, so that's no worries. I know some people are concerned about that, but you can either knot it back on or just loop it through. And these zippers do loosen up and become really smooth over time if you do use these. You've got a little hook here so you can attach a wristlet strap if you wanted to as well. Okay, and the next 2 things I have are just 2 custom-made play pack cases. And I take these when I have all my kids, because I just kind of divvy them out between everybody. And I just kind of grab some pads and some, stickers and stuff inside. Clara's finally at that age at 2.5 where she likes to draw. So this is much easier to take than toys and stuff, especially when you're just going to the cafe or going to the restaurant or something. You just want to keep them entertained. I also have a Fugu Fontainer. Now, funny story, today I actually had this in my bag and I didn't put this bit on all the way after it was washed. I didn't push it down, this purple bit. So this wasn't sealed and it leaked water all through my bag, like literally on everything, including my Lily Jade wallet, pouches, everything. I had to quickly empty everything out, pull the lining out. Thank God it didn't go through to the bottom of the bag or the leather. So just be aware when you put these back together, make sure this is pushed all the way down and sealed. These containers have never leaked on me before. This was entirely my fault. I still love these drink bottles. So I don't want to bag thermos or containers because they are probably my favorite, especially during the summer here in Australia. But yeah, so just be careful with that because that freaked me out. I would have literally cried if it had ruined my leather. Next thing I have in the bag here is this is an NCO Inari. This is the smallest of their little bag-in-bag pouches. Now, I had these for ages and I just couldn't find a use for it. Finally found a use for it and I'm so happy that I did. This is in the peacock color and we do stock these as Arme Boutique, so I thought that kind of went nicely with the jade. And the front here I just have a Burt's Bees lip balm. Then I have some tissues in this longer pocket here. Then there's another little pocket here and a mesh pocket there. On the back here there are two smaller pockets and then a longer pocket. In here I just have my white pouch, 30 in the Donatella and collaboration print with white pouch. And then in here I have just a small set piece, my mummy Meg Hip needs, and a hand sanitizer, but there are also some other organizational sections like two little zip pockets and two slip pockets at the front here. So these are very, very nifty and it makes it easy, as I said, so I could take this out of this bag and pop it into another one, or even take it out and take it in somewhere that I needed to take it or whatever. So this is again an NCO Inari. I'll put that in the description box too. Only other thing I have left in here is my Lily Jade wallet. This also got water all over it. So make sure that you do condition and water stop your bags. People ask if you should water stop your bags or wallets. Just do it. I swear, I think that's probably what saved my wallet, because I do it every time I do all my Lily Jade bags, I do my wallets too. And this had water literally all over it. And any other leather wallet, I have to say, this is amazing for Lily Jade. I've got other leather wallets that I still condition and stuff, and they would have just been ruined. Whereas this, I don't know if they coated it or something, but it didn't get ruined, and I was so happy because I love, love, love this wallet. You know, even the inside is still a little wet. I actually have to probably open this up and dry it off. But, I mean, the leather on the outside didn't get ruined. So lucky, so lucky. I actually have a blush one coming. I'm so excited. So these are fantastic. My favorite wallets by far. So there you go. So there is the empty Madeline. So the Madeline is probably their signature bag. And I understand why, because it is a really nice size, especially when you only have the one child or maybe two. Some people find it too small, but I love it for this stage. And even as a bag for myself, I took my older kids out yesterday and all I had to do was take out the nappy stuff and I just took the other things in here and it was great. So, so comfortable. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video today. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.